So today we're going to be talking about the BrizLab PL301. BrizLab has an app, and that app is awesome. That app allows me to do all kinds of crazy things. You're going to see that in the back. Now, these lights are what they call permanent outdoor lights, and they're full season. So that means they are RGBCW. And what does that mean? It means they have all the RGB lights that you can possibly think of, and they also have the ability to have independent chips, which are super bright, by the way, from a cool white to a warm white and everything in between. So you want natural light, whatever you want, these guys are going to perform the job for you. I'm going to be rolling you some extra rolls that I have of the lights installed because I did get them up there for you. So this way you're going to see what they look like. Now, other things you can do besides putting these outdoors, of course, because when you think outdoors, you think your house, the frame of your house. Permanent, so this way you can have them for Christmas, for Halloween, for Thanksgiving. You can have them for 4th of July, or like me, I'm in Canada Day. All these options are there for you. Plus, you can have them for any parties you're going to have. They are pretty impressive for that. So again, you can have them in white throughout the entire year, but for all those special occasions, you can have it in a better mode than just a regular plain old white. Now the lights are spaced out really well. I was a little worried that maybe it'd be a little too long, but that wasn't the case. So let's take them out of the box, show you how they all come when you buy them and what you can do with them, because of course it comes, like I said, with a beautiful app, and we're going to show you that off of the phone in this video as well. So let's see what comes with it. So let's start by opening the box, covering everything that's in the box. I'm going to show you some of the nice little accessories that come with it that are going to make your life a lot easier. Because things you don't think about when installing these lights. One, you're going to need special clips. These are very nice clips. I'm going to show you up close. These are clips to hold the wire down. Because sometimes the wire is too long or you don't want it to sag. You're going to need to put some clips on it. There you go. That's part of the package. You're also occasionally going to be screwing into things like concrete or stuff, bricks, you know. You're going to need something for that too. That's part of the package as well. Now, power supply wise, here we go. This is where it all starts. A full waterproof power supply. And this is the PL01, like I said, so it has a 1.2 amps at 30 volts. It's all designed to run the lights that come in the package. Now, this is always important. This power supply is not to run more than 3 chains, which is 50 lights. The PL02 power supply, you'll notice, has a higher rating and is designed to run a whole 100 feet of light off of one power supply. So again, this particular power supply is built for 50. So if you have multiple sets of lights like I do, you're going to be using multiple power supplies to run the whole thing. Now that's fine because the app can accommodate all of that for you because it can link it all together. So for everything to work properly, you're going to need a controller. The controller is going to run the app for you, and the app can work either via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. And this guy's going to do it for you. The range is very impressive. This was very nice that I saw this piece right here. This is an extension. So they give you an extension to get going right off the hop. You're going to get one of these guys. Now they only include one with the kit, and this extension can go anywhere you want. You can have it at the beginning with the lights to give you some distance, or if you're really in a pinch when it comes to the lighting, you may necessarily want to use this to connect in a space where you're going to want to leave a gap. So I'm going to help you solve the biggest mystery I had when I was setting up these lights, and that was the app itself. When you go to the App Store, you're going to find that they have two. They have a blue icon and they have a black icon. When you scan the actual box, it's going to bring you to the blue one. Now the blue one's proprietary for this particular product because it is very impressive. It's got a lot of advanced features to it. But when I set it up, I did have a small glitch trying to connect it to my smart home. But I uninstalled it. Then I went back to the App Store, downloaded the black app, which is the exact same logo, same company, same distributor. It's the same thing. It offers all the technology and all the features of their products because they have all the smart home equipment you can possibly imagine, plus a whole bunch of electronic stuff like scooters, stuff like that. They have it all. Once you install that and set that up first, just basically, you know, sign up and just get it to connect to your email. So this way it can connect to you. Then install the blue app, which is proprietary for this guy. Easy enough. Everything worked, no problem. I went, clicked on it to add it to my Google setup, and it just worked. It just worked. So remember, download the black app first, then do the setup. Which is basically just activate it. That's all you're doing. It's going to say you have no procs to it, but that's okay because you're going to download the blue app right afterwards. That's going to solve your problems. Everything's going to work, no problem. This is exciting, right? Now we're down to the lights. Let's take a look, see what's in this bag. Now the products are pre-set up in batches. So this way they're preset at 10 each, and then they've basically divided 50 feet by 3. And so this way each string can be detached. So if, as you're working on it, you don't have to have them all installed at the same time. Do make sure you check your start point and that you connect your controller up, so this way you absolutely connect it in the right direction, because there's a direction, there's a male and a female plug to these guys, and I'm just going to undo one set here. So we've got that undone from that end, and we're going to take it off the other end. If you've hooked up any type of smart lighting before, this is exactly the same thing, except it's got much more advanced waterproof plugs and connectors and all that kind of stuff going on here. Very watertight connections, makes everything work that much better. Now for the lights themselves, when you look inside, you're actually going to see that the multi, they're using a 5050 super bright chip in the center, and then they're actually using warm white and cool white chips on the outside. That's what's giving us all the brightness and the capability of having any color plus any true white color that we want, from a warm white to a cool white, all inside that chip there. Now to attach it, now of course this happens to be the white setup. If I had black, I would probably, for my installation, if you look at my fence line, it's all black, but that was just me. These lights here, a true 3M peel and stick, which is super tacky, by the way. This is going to get you onto whatever surface, and then you're going to install a screw on top of it to make sure it stays. Now, if you really want to make sure it's not going to go anywhere, depending if you have to suffer through hard winters like I do, you do probably want to hit it with some silicone if you're worried about the extreme cold, because if this gets too cold or too hot, it will let go. But if you've hit it with silicone on both sides, just some clear silicone, just to lock it down, the light should stay up all by itself until the silicone sets. I have always done that, and it's always worked for me, and it's always lasted. And that's what's going on with these lights. Now remember, each set of lights, roughly about 16.5 feet long. You're going to get 50 feet altogether with the 3 sets connected. And you're going to get 30 lights, and they are perfectly separated. When you look at videos of my fence line, you're going to see nice V's coming straight down onto the back. They're separated so this way, a foot down, it looks really nice. And it's incredible. It'll light from the top all the way to the floor. They're that good. They have these lenses on them that do an amazing job. So here's the app all ready to go. This company has a lot of options. So of course, it has temperature sensor, stuff like that, but that's not what we're looking at. We're looking specifically at the down permanent lightings, because they're facing down. I renamed them that way. If I'm going to tap on that, it's going to bring that up for us. These are the type of things we can do with these lights. You can have it on a fixed color. You can choose a white or a multicolor. You can have the different type of slotted rainbow effect. So if you're Canada and Canada, you'd have the actual red and white that we have on top. If you're American, you'd have the red, white, and blue right here. So that would make things work for you. So that's ours, Canada. Everybody has their own. France, everybody. You can do it in whichever setup you want. Now, the important thing with this is that that's not the only option. It also have scene selections where we can have the whole thing do a psychedelic kind of thing going on with it. We can customize it into any pattern that we want and into any color. You'll notice I have mine set up as Canada Day because, you know, the way it is. But let's make a new one. Let's see what we can do here and see if we can't come up with a 4th of July. So let's go add a new setup. Yes, there we go. Add a new setup, and then what we're going to do is we're going to change the color settings. We're going to go to a scheme, and we are going to find ourselves the red, white, and blue scheme, which is going to be down here. Red, white, and blue. Look at that. And at the bottom, you'll notice it says A, B, C, A, A. This allows the light to be offset. Do I want to have 2 of each color? Maybe that's what I want to have. So I'm going to hold on to that one for now. And then we're going to be all set. Now, I can have it flow. I can have it move up and down. I can do anything I want with it. I can have it chase. Chase is always cool, right? So because we put 2, it's going to actually show up better. So if you're going to do a chase, do 2 at a time. Just happens to look nicer. So, and I'm going to save. It's going to ask me to put a name. And I'm going to do that right now. We're going to call this one the 4th of July. Look at that. And now we have one for the 4th of July in there, ready to go. But that's not all you can do with the app. Let's go back and see what else we can do with it. We've got, I like this one very, very much. We're going to go back into the app here. We're going to press the next option, which is music. Music is super impressive because it's not just a brightness that you have control over. You also have voice sensitivity. So brightness at the bottom, microphone at the top. If I bring it down, the sensitivity is reduced. If I bring it up, the sensitivity is increased to the point that even the birds during the daytime will set it off. Very, very impressive. And for the light patterns, you have so many. They call them, you know, rock and roll, jazz, strobe effects, the energy setups. You have all of these things. It's just all built in, and it just goes to music, and it's just super impressive. Low volume or high volume, use it for Christmas, use it for a party, use it for any special event. It just looks super impressive. Now, saying that, this is where I'm going to tell you what I think. You know, there's a whole demographic of people out there. If you do party events and you use tents, you can permanently install these inside the tent poles for your large events, or have them pre-set up on actual planks that are all nicely painted and all set up, and then just connect them together. Quick install, big light effects inside of an actual portable tent. Very nice. If you own a restaurant and you have a deck outside, great lighting to install to the deck because it'll give you an amazing amount of effects. Set it up once, let it stay, it's good to go. If you have a restaurant and you're trying to add lighting effects, so this way if you have your party nights, you just want to have some lighting that just works easy, maybe it's for a bar or a club, this will do the trick for you. It adds impressive lighting at a really great price when we're talking commercial grade type product. So there you go. There's a whole lot of stuff we've talked about. I hope this helps you out a bit in making a buying decision when it comes to these lights. I think they're just phenomenal. I think they work out really well and they're waterproof. I've been using them now for a few weeks. So they've gone through a whole bunch of stuff over the last 2 weeks because it's taken me a while to get all of this done. And we've had the opportunity to see what they're like during heavy, heavy rain downpours. And I've also got to see how they do during extreme heat. Now remember, the lights do have a temperature rating. LEDs are just like that. You do not want to be using them in excess of, in Fahrenheit, would be like over 100, 105 Fahrenheit. So those extreme hot days, use them at night. Make sure it's cooled down a little bit below 100. And on the cold end, you don't want to lose it in Fahrenheit below 0. And in Celsius, you don't want to go like minus 30. And you're using them, and you don't want to be going over 35, I guess it would be in Celsius, and using them. Just again, you don't want to use them when it's extremely too hot or to the opposite extreme of too cold. Outside of that, you're good to go.